A woman is behind the wheel of a black SUV, driving like her life depends on it. Cops are chasing her. Sirens are blaring. And somewhere inside that speeding car is a 2-month-old baby. What happens next is going to leave you speechless. Watch every single second of this, because there are mistakes in this video that could cost someone their life. And if this ever happens near you, stay with me until the end, because I am going to tell you exactly what to do. I am your host here on this channel, and if you are new here, you are in the right place. We break down real police body cam footage so you can be smarter and safer every day. Now let us get into this.
As deputies raced toward the shots-fired vehicle, they had no way of knowing a 2-month-old baby was inside.
Continuing westbound, he's going to be headed out on a moped. Westbound, I'm on that. 335, I'm going to take up the pursuit from here. We're going southbound on Grandview. Southbound Mobile. No, southbound on Grandview at Gadsden. No. Going eastbound, direction westbound Jackson, westbound Jackson. Westbound Jackson. Hit the tag, I couldn't get it. Unknown state, Henry Frank Mary 071. It's Alabama. Can I hit it?
Right here. This is the moment everything changes. Deputies got the license plate, it came back to Alabama. And they asked permission to pit the vehicle. A pit maneuver is when a police car bumps the rear of a fleeing car to spin it out and stop it. It is dangerous under normal conditions. But this driver was doing something that made it 10 times more dangerous, and deputies had no idea yet. They are about to flip this car. And inside that flipping car is a baby. This is where your heart is going to drop.
10-4, shots fired, vehicle. Pit successful, pit successful. We got a full rollover. Driver! Driver, put your hands up!
Golly, lady, frick!
Driver, put your hands up! Go ahead and roll fire. We probably got vehicle entrapment. Full rollover.
Golly, Casey.
We got people entrapped in the vehicle. Go ahead and fire out. 10-4. You're good, you're good. I got you, sir. 32, I still need you to head to the scene to see if we have something over there. 259 is going to be 51.
No movement?
I've got, no vision. Hold up, Sarge. I'm going to come to you.
I'm out with 335. I can see a hand.
Keep your hands up! This tent's dark. I don't want to create a crossfire here.
Hey, windows are tinted.
Okay.
8-1, I need someone on scene at the original location.
Sarge, can I bust that back window?
I've got glass breakers if you don't want to.
Yeah, just break it right here.
Okay, hold on.
Hey, we're going to break the window. Y'all, watch out.
All right, well.
Why would you run with a baby?
And then they saw it. The baby. Inside an overturned car. With drugs, a loaded rifle, and a driver who had just been through a high-speed crash. The officers could not believe what they were seeing. You are going to hear them say it themselves in a second. Why would you run with a baby? And that is the exact question all of us are asking right now. Now, if you have been watching this channel and you keep coming back for breakdowns like this, you already know what we do here. But if you have not hit that subscribe button yet, do it right now. Because every week we go through videos just like this one, showing you the mistakes, showing you the decisions, and showing you how to survive if you are ever in a situation like this. Hit subscribe. You will not regret it. Now, back to this baby.
Keep your hands where we can see them.
Why would you do that with a baby in the car run from us?
259. I know we already said roll EMS.
You got him? There's an incident in the car. You got it?
Ma'am,
Your
step
hands so
out.
we can see him. Is there any other children?
No.
Are you the only occupant?
No.
Who else is inside? Who else is inside?
I'm coming
Can you
out.
grab a hold of her?
Yep. Step out.
I've got lethal. I've got lethal.
They big gonna cut me, bro.
Come on.
Who else is inside?
I'm right here.
Are you conscious? Can you hear me? Okay.
Ah.
Alright, step up.
Just give him your hands. Don't stop. Hey. Stop. Hey, stop. Stop.
I ain't doing that. Man, I'm putting my hand behind
Hold
my
on.
back.
Stay on your knees. Stay on your knees. Someone take him. Someone take him.
He's got him.
Other passengers, step out.
Ain't nobody else in here. Hold on, I can keep my phone. I chill out.
Give me your phone.
Give him your phone.
No.
You're losing.
Hey, chill out, bro.
You already had a baby.
You don't need that phone.
Grab me again, bro.
Just chill, babe. Chill out, babe. Chill out.
Ain't no chill out, bro.
Don't do anything stupid. Come on.
Okay. With a baby? Dude.
Got it.
Look, my shoulder already out of place. Ease up, for real. I ain't got nothing on me. You ain't even supposed to search me.
My policy, we can. As
When
long as
that
there's
policy
two deputies
passed.
and the camera, and it's not illegal.
Can I call my baby daddy to come get my baby?
We'll get that worked out.
All right. Can you move your arm?
You gotta step in. There you go.
Any injuries?
The baby seems fine, but we're going to get checked out.
Thank God.
He was in the car. Thank God. Why would she run?
Okay. Well, we missed the power pole. That's...
That's your baby?
Want me to take the kid?
335. You can just update fire. There is no more entrapment.
He in the seat? He was in the car seat. I'm holding this way, supporting him, so I'm not moving his head.
Oh, that is a big spider. Get that out of my mess. Ooh. Ah,
There is some sort of rifle. Looks like a BB gun or something.
BB gun? Along
It's got a
the...
magazine in it. So no, that's probably a BB gun. It's got a magazine.
Oh, I see what you're looking at.
Yep. That's a real gun.
Oh, that's a real gun,
That's gotta be a real gun. Yep.
And now look at what they are pulling out of that car. First they see what looks like a BB gun. But wait, look again. That is a real firearm. A loaded Beretta CX-4 Storm rifle with a magazine and a red dot sight. And it does not stop there. Deputies also found powdered meth, baggies, a digital scale, and later they confirmed over 7 grams of fentanyl packaged and ready to sell, and over 159 grams of marijuana. This was not just a car chase. This was a mobile drug operation, with a baby inside. Let that sink in for a second.
What's your name? Hey, look at me. What's your name?
Alexia.
Alexia what?
Gobble.
Okay.
My brother pulling up to get.
Well, we'll figure that out here in a second.
Get that person out of here, James. Get him out of here. Get out of here. Well, that's fine.
Go back. All right, look, then why don't you park on the side? Ma'am, park. We have the baby. Park on the side.
Yeah, park on the side.
Where? I can't.
Over here on the sidewalk.
Do you want me to do anything? There is a firearm in there.
Oh, good.
It's a rifle.
Leave it.
It's a
Get
rifle.
crime scene. Get crime
Okay.
scene.
I've already got him coming. Man, where'd that sack tool go? Them things are expensive. Whatever. Just gives me an excuse to spend more money. I don't know what the hell I did with it. Well, I found it. Woo! Do we have a scene? Because we have recovered a firearm over here. Looks like it's going to be a pistol caliber. Straight through, you can see it with the mag in it. It's got a red dot on it.
Good job, man.
81, dude. 81 is always just bebopping around somewhere and find stuff.
What's up, man? All right, just stay in the car for me. Just stay. We got it. Just stay in the car.
I ain't got to stay in the car.
That's my son.
Okay, we'll just then stay right over here.
We just got this phone.
I ain't got no weapons. I ain't got nothing on
Okay.
me. Yeah, I'm good.
Yeah, call me back, babe.
No weapons, see? You did good. Don't worry about it. You're not wrong. It's all good, okay? That was a good bit. She overcorrected. We're going to charge her. We're going to charge her.
Well, child endangerment.
You're damn straight we are.
Absolutely.
Make sure you don't lose that.
It will be. Oh my God, there was a fucking baby in the car. Jesus.
Dude, I heard west on Jackson, and I was coming from Jackson. I was like, heck yeah.
I saw her fly across and jumped.
problem is someone called around S and Lloyd, so the people getting shot at didn't call, so it could be anywhere in a couple of block radius. But dispatch heard the shooting. So, we got the rifle, and it's a car leaving that area, going westbound, where I saw it coming westbound. It fled from us, so I'm all good with this. All day long. EMS right here. How you doing?
I like the stash.
Me and him are going to go talk to them. The baby's being checked. It's probably going to be taken to the hospital cautionary. I pulled the baby out. The baby's in the car seat.
Okay.
He's crying. He's nothing obvious. All right, is that your daughter? Okay.
In the car with you? Yeah.
You know what's going on?
Yeah, well, all I know is she ran from y'all.
So we got a call while someone's on the call. The dispatch could hear shots being fired. Yes, they gave a description of that vehicle there. I got behind the vehicle. It ran from me due to the nature of the call, because it was the dispatch could hear it. We pitted the vehicle, and when we found out it was a baby, the first thing I said, why would you run from that car? There is a rifle in that car.
Yeah, we know. That's what we just told.
As soon as they tell me where they're going, I'll let you know so you can go. Okay,
so
not a problem. Yeah.
I get nervous anytime we have to do something like this.
No, we're justified.
And then when I heard there was a baby in there, I was like, oh my God, I'm so glad that
kind of gun
so
is it? Rifle?
It's a pistol carbine, so it's a rifle, but it shoots pistol rounds.
Trying to run me over?
In the car seat?
The kid's in the car. Yeah, it was in there. We had to pull out the back. It seemed to be in the car seat. There was nothing obvious when I pulled them out.
All right. Do you want us to also assess the...
They're hurting me. We'll take them. We're not... The female's fine.
Let's go look at them.
You can look at them. She's going to be yelling.
Dude, oh my God, Casey. I am so glad that baby's okay. I hate that, dude.
That's what they get.
I hate that we're in that position, though. I just flipped a car with a baby in it.
They did it?
Well, I know. But like, damn.
Doing like that with a baby in the car?
They're putting us in that position.
Well, first of all, over there trying to do gang.
Yeah.
Damn baby in the
They've
car.
got shots fired with a baby.
But what if the people shot back at them?
Hey, they're going to go to Sacred Heart in just a minute. That's where you need to go to the kids' ER. They're just going to do it as precautionary to make sure.
Thank you so much.
Not a problem. Let's interview her. Rita Miranda. Let's do him first, the guy first, because he was calmer than she was.
Hey, sir. You doing okay? You got the AC in here? Can you feel the AC? Okay, you're okay. I'm just making sure you're all right, okay?
Hey, where my mom at? I can see her.
How old are you?
I'm 22.
Once we're done, we'll walk her. I'll ask her. She's on the other side.
I ain't got nothing to say if I can.
Okay, you got nothing to say? That's fine. You're going to be charged with all of it, and you're not talking to your mama.
Okay.
Little turd. Not that you care because you ran from us. You're being charged with a multitude of firearms. You're going to lose. That's my mission.
Charged with what?
You're being charged with a multitude of felonies. Hey, are they in the back? Hey, I just needed the baby's name real quick.
Yeah, I got it.
I got the baby's name.
Age, date of birth.
You want to know the age?
What, 0? Found 1 round.
Dispatch said they heard 1 round over the phone.
He found 1, so that's good.
Oh, what else we got here? Oh, powder, meth.
That's going to be baggies and a scale for
Awesome.
distribution.
So, this is a bag, I got a little bit of weed up, ready to go.
You can record from right there. You're fine. Go ahead. I'm not moving my car, though. Yeah, you can stand over there and do it. They allow you. Hey, dude, come on. I'm sorry to hear that, but I can't help you with this son right now.
It's her son, right?
I understand. It doesn't matter if it's her son. He's an adult.
Wait, I know it's my son.
I understand. He's an adult.
Ain't that happen? Y'all flipped that car over.
Yep.
I got witness. They record y'all.
Hey, guess what? We did. We pitted the car. That's no
So
no problem.
man over the car.
Yeah, no, they did.
What was the reason?
Doesn't matter. Listen, you can get the arrest report. They were shooting at someone. They ran. There's a ton of drugs. Maybe if they cared more about that little baby in there, that pisses me off. That baby. I didn't say they shoot someone. I said they shot at someone, and we do have a witness.
I was on the phone with them.
Oh, yeah. Yes, sir.
They were at the grave site.
I'll talk to you since you're calm. Because I'm getting irritated. I understand it's your son, and I'm sorry about your other son.
Yeah.
But you're yelling and accusing us.
Yelling.
Your high-pitched voice
That's
comes off as yelling.
I'm like, that's how I
What's
talk.
up? What's up?
I'm just listening.
Oh, you're listening? Okay.
Okay, so you explain to us that.
So we're going to take him to get checked out.
Yes, sir.
They're fine. He said he's got a sore shoulder. That's all he's complaining about. He's going to be checked out. He's going to be charged with fleeing and eluding.
Yes, sir.
Possession of a firearm during commission of a felony.
Yes, sir.
He's in the vehicle the whole time. How do you know he wasn't driving?
Hold on,
You were with them in that car? No, you didn't.
I'm on the phone with them.
Okay.
Calm down.
So did they tell you they were running from us?
Calm down, Fat. Calm down.
So a multitude of felonies. So and depending on his record, it could be anywhere from 10,000 to no bond to get out.
So they got a witness. He said there was a shootout.
It was a shootout.
shootout.
I didn't say it was a shootout. I said they shot at someone.
Shot at someone. They ain't shot no one. And that's what made them get behind the car.
No, then I tried to stop the car and make sure it wasn't it. They took off, and then they started driving like a maniac all through here. So we pitted the vehicle, not knowing there was which is she's being charged, and she's going to lose. It's the last thing I do because she knows no. That's the only reason that baby's alive because it was in a car seat. Thank God.
Yes, sir.
There's a ton of dope in there, meth, marijuana, a rifle. I would worry more about him being around that than us doing that. The baby's okay. It's being checked out. Thank you. Do what?
Is you a sergeant?
Yes, ma'am. Sergeant Taylor.
Isn't it? It's a law that like y'all not supposed to chase the cars.
Nope. There's no law like that, sir. No, it is not the law. I tell you which one of y'all went to law school and which one didn't. You can if you want to file a complaint, you're more than welcome, but with real and policy, no, I'm explaining it.
Okay, so you're saying the neighborhood.
There is no law that we can't chase, buddy.
The neighborhood they was in, supposed to be, and there was a suspect, that was the cause.
Yep, yes ma'am. Jesus Christ, I'm that mother. At least that lady was, I can talk to her.
Alexia Gobble was charged with child abuse, fleeing police, unlawful discharge of a firearm, trafficking fentanyl, and more. Her passenger, Mel Trace Coley, also charged with trafficking and illegal firearm possession, both held without bond. And that baby, thank God, was found unharmed in a car seat. Now before I go, I need to talk to you. Because what if you were driving near this pursuit? What if you were a bystander? Here is what you do. Number 1, if you hear police sirens, pull over immediately and stop. Do not freeze in the road. Get to the side. Number 2, if you see a car driving recklessly near you, do not try to block it or film it while driving. Pull over safely and call 911. Number 3, if police officers approach your car after an incident nearby, keep your hands visible and follow every instruction calmly. You are not in trouble. They are in a high alert state and your calm behavior protects you. And number 4, if you ever see a child or baby in a dangerous situation like this, tell law enforcement immediately. One call can save a life. Now I have a question for you, and I want you to answer it in the comments right now. When you saw that car flip, what was going through your mind? Drop your answer below. I read every single comment and I will be waiting for you down there. If this video opened your eyes, share it with someone who needs to see it. Like this video so more people find it. And if you are not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? This channel could literally save your life one day. I will see you in the next one. Stay safe out there.